Good morning to all. Welcome to Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. I am here to inform you that the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh has introduced a mobile application for advocates enrolled on Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh. The main purpose of this mobile application is to enable the advocates to get easy access of information at their fingertips. Advocates can check the details of their enrollment, state welfare fund, and certificate of practice in this application. It is also used to view circulars issued by Bar Council, news items, and press releases can also viewed in this application. Further, latest articles on legal topics will be updated in this application and viewed seminars conducted by Bar Council and details of upcoming seminars can also be viewed through this mobile application. Now I will explain step-by-step video demo how to install this mobile application in both iOS and Android application. The mobile application is available for both Android and iOS platforms. For Android users, open Play Store and type AP Bar Council without any spaces in the search bar. Select AP Bar Council in results and click install. For iOS users, open App Store and type AP Bar Council without any spaces in search bar. Select AP Bar Council in results. Now I will demonstrate the mobile application on Android platform. After installing the mobile application, open the app. A login screen will be displayed. Here you can log in with enrollment number, with date of birth or mobile number. Enrollment number is compulsory. Either you can enter date of birth or your registered mobile number with the office. Enter enrollment number in the following format: AP/number/ and year, and enter date of birth in DD, MM, YYYY format only. After successful login, home screen will be displayed. In home screen, at the bottom there will be 4 sections: articles, circulars, seminars and news. At top left there will be a menu icon, 3 horizontal lines. If you click on the menu icon, there will be profile details and other sections are available. I will explain each section later. Click on right side space to close the menu. At the top right there will be notification icon, bell symbol. If any notifications will be displayed here. Click on bell icon to see latest items in the seminars, articles and news. Click on home symbol at top right to go to home screen. This is the brief introduction about home screen. Now I will explain each section in detail. Click on menu button. In menu at top there will be profile details including name of advocates, enrollment number and address will be displayed. You can click on share icon to share contact details of advocate with other apps like WhatsApp, etc. You can see the contact details of advocate: name, enrollment number, phone number and address. If you can click on pen icon in the menu to see full profile details. If you want to change any details is being displayed here, click on send request. After profile details there will be a list of menu items: home, enrollments, welfare fund membership, certificate of practice details, and Honorable Chairman message and press releases. Enrollments. Enrollment details can be checked in three ways: search by name or enrollment number or bar association. Select search by name, type name in the search box and click on find details. List of certificates matched with the entire name will be displayed. Click on any one of the results to view full details of the advocate. Click on send query, type subject and message and click on send to send an email to Bar Council office for any queries. By entering the enrollment number and click on find details to view enrollment details of the respective advocate. Select any one of bar association and click on find details. List of advocate belongs to selected bar association will be displayed. Click on any one of the results to view full details of the advocate. Next, welfare fund details. Go to main menu, select welfare fund membership and enter enrollment number to check the details including name of the advocate, date of membership and nominee details. Here also, if you want to any information, click on send query, type subject and message and click on send to send email to Bar Council office. Certificate of practice details. Select COP details, enter enrollment number to check certificate of practice details including name of advocate, Bar Council election and Bar Association election details also you can view in the COP details. Either you file declaration or COP, you can fetch the details by entering the enrollment number in COP details menu. Then go to press releases. To check latest press releases released by Bar Council office, select item and click on view in PDF to view press release in PDF format. You can also view latest articles by click on articles in the home screen. There will be list of articles related to the legal profession. Select any article item and click on view article in PDF and read full article in PDF format. The office will update view articles day to day. Next item, circulars. The circulars to view latest circulars issued by the office. Select any one of the circular item and click on view circular in PDF to read circular in PDF format. Next, seminar section. In this section, first one is upcoming seminars and second one is past seminar. If any seminar will be scheduled by the office, the details of upcoming seminars including subject, invitation and location of the venue will be displayed here. Next one is past seminars. Click on past seminars and select seminar to view details. Here videos of selected seminar can be viewed anytime. You can view the location of seminar venue in Google Map by clicking on venue in map. Latest information or news. Click on news to view latest news and events of Bar Council office. There will be list of new items. Select any news item and click on view in PDF to read the news in detail. Then notifications. Click on notification bell icon at top left from the home screen. There will be 3 tabs, namely seminars, articles and news. If any new item added in the above said section, the bell icon display red color notification. The latest item can be checked from this notification section. This is about features and functionality of mobile application. Both mobile application and website of Bar Council are interrelated. The information placed in the website will also be viewed through mobile app. The office will update the data regularly. I request you to utilize the app for fetching of information and latest updates of Bar Council. Thank you one and all. Thank you.